Imagine yourself in this Dodge 2016 Journey SE. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, audio jack input for mobile devices, CD player, radio data system, radio, 4.3, remote USB port, air conditioning and front dual-zone AC. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.